Welcome back everyone. So first of all, we are going to measure out 2 cups of all-purpose flour and then we'll sieve. This recipe is so easy to make and very fast. This is 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of salt. So this is 190 grams of milk and this is 1 egg. Half teaspoon of flavour and then mix together. And into the flour I'm putting in half cup of margarine. So I use the hack of melting the margarine and then allowing it to come back to solidify so that I can have an accurate measurement since I don't have a scale. So I added 1/8 cup of sugar. I used 2 of it. And then I'm going to rub in the butter and the flour together. So you rub this in properly until it's well combined and looks like breadcrumbs or like meat pie dough texture, something like this. Make a well in the middle and then you transfer your wet ingredients inside. So you want to fold in gently to combine. So it's a bit too watery, so I'm going to be adding in a little bit more flour. I used 1/4 cup of flour. Extra. I added in the remaining part of the 1/4 cup of flour and then I'll just mix it together properly. Flour your work surface and transfer the mixture onto your work surface. And then you gently fold over and use your hands to spread it over and fold again until it's well combined and it's no longer sticky. And you cut it into your desired shapes. Folding it this way gives it that flakiness when it's ready. So you want to spread it until it's about 1 inch thickness, and then you cut into your desired sizes and shapes. So this was what I did, and ready to bake. So for the glaze, I just used a little bit of icing sugar, about 2 tablespoons, and a little bit of lemon juice, just enough to dissolve the icing sugar. So I baked on low heat for about 25 minutes, and it was ready. So the mistake I did was making it into these large shapes that looks like bread. Who is going to eat this? So guys, I had to cut it into smaller sizes. So if you're making yours, cut it already into the sizes that you want, ready to eat. So you see that flakiness, see how soft and light it is. So you just drizzle your icing sugar glaze on the biscuits, and you are ready to enjoy. Enjoy this for breakfast with a cup of tea, and just enjoy. You see how nice it is? That's the result of that folding that we were doing earlier. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.